Good morning, students. Class plus 2 commerce, subject accountancy. So this is video lecture part 2. Again, topic is comparative balance sheet. So today we are going to solve question number 6 of page TS Garewal book, and page number is 3.32. So let us discuss about the first of all statement of the question, and then we will solve the question. Done. Here you can see what is being stated in the question. From the following balance sheet of Royal Industries Limited as at 31st March 2021, prepare comparative balance sheet. Now what they have stated in the question, they have mentioned as balance sheet, particulars, note number, year 2021, then 2020. Current year, previous year. Now asset side, as you know, it contains what? It contains various information. Two sides are there, equity, liabilities and asset side. Then there are so many items like non-current liabilities, they are given. Share capital is given, reserve and surplus, long-term borrowings. So many informations are there, and we have to use these information. And what we have to prepare? After using this information, we have to prepare what? Comparative balance sheet. So let's see further information which are being stated on my notebook. So let's see how to solve this question. Firstly, we will give the title. So let's see what type of title we have to place. So we will write comparative balance sheet of Royal Industries Limited as at 31st March 2020 and 2021. Page number of book 3.32. On this page question number 6 is given. So what will be the format of comparative balance sheet? Particulars, note number, figure of previous year yani 31st March 2020, figures of current year yani 31st March 2021, then absolute change yani difference between the amount of current year and previous year. It is named as C is equal to B minus A. Then this absolute change, it will be expressed in percentage form also. It is termed as D. So how to calculate D? Absolute change over base year multiplied by 100. Amount of base year multiplied by 100. In this way we can find out the percentage. So let's solve this particular question. Just see the amount of share capital. In the previous year it was 5 lakh. In the current year it was 10 lakh. So 10 minus 5, the difference will be 5 lakh. Now if we have to express it in percentage, तो absolute change यानी 5 lakh over 5 lakh आपस में कट गया, multiplied by 100, तो यहाँ पे percentage आ जाएगी 100%. Getting बेटा? Second item is of reserve and surplus. In the previous year it was 1 lakh and same in the current year it was 1 lakh. So there is no difference. So here we have to mention nil, and its percentage will also be nil. Next item is under non-current liabilities, long-term borrowings. And its previous year amount was 3 lakh and in the current year its amount is 2 lakh. Now we have to calculate B minus A, yani 2 lakh minus 3 lakh. So here will be a negative balance of 1 lakh. So whenever there is negative balance, it will be written in bracket. So bracket itself indicates it is a negative balance. Now how to calculate percentage? So absolute change over previous year, amount of previous year, yani 1 lakh over 3 lakh multiplied by 100, it can be expressed as 33.33%. But as it is a negative balance, its percentage will also be expressed in bracket. Then next item is current liabilities, and under it item, name of item is trade payable. How to calculate B minus A? 2 lakh minus 1 lakh, so difference will be of 1 lakh. So how to calculate percentage? Absolute change over base year multiplied by 100, so again it will be the amount of 100%, but it is a positive. Next, total, same in a horizontal way we have to follow. We have to prepare these column. So 15 lakh minus 10 lakh, difference will be 5 lakh. Now if it is to be expressed in percentage form, तो absolute change over base year 5 lakh over 10 multiplied by 100, तो it will be 50%. आगे चलें, अब एक साइड हमारी कंप्लीट होगी. देन कम ऑन एसेट साइड. अंडर एसेट साइड मेजर हेडिंग नॉन करंट एसेट्स, देन फिक्स एसेट्स, टू पार्ट टेंजिबल इंटेंजिबल. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद टेंजिबल फिक्स एसेट्स. तो ओपनिंग इंफॉर्मेशन B minus A, 8 lakh minus 4 lakh, so its difference will be 4 lakh. Now how to calculate percentage? 4 over 4 multiplied by 100, it will be expressed 100%. Then 2 lakh minus previous year 2 lakh, so difference will be nil, its percentage will also be nil. Same for non-current investment, 2 lakh, so difference is nil, so percentage will also be nil. Then inventory, 2,50,000 minus 150, so difference will be 1 lakh. So how to express it in percentage form? So 1 lakh over 1,50,000, it will be required to be expressed in form of percentage. So let's see what will be its percentage. So 1 lakh over 1,50,000 multiplied by 100, so it will be approximately 66.67%. तो इट इज ए पॉजिटिव बैलेंस बेटा. आगे चलते हैं. उसके बाद कैश एंड कैश इक्विवेलेंट बैलेंस, डिफरेंस इज निल, तो परसेंटेज विल आल्सो बी निल. और लास्ट टोटल 15 minus 10, so it amounts to rupees 5 lakh. तो अगेन इट्स परसेंटेज 5 lakh over 10 lakh multiplied by 100, तो इट विल बी परसेंटेज विल बी एक्सप्रेस्ड एट 50%. एक चीज का ध्यान रखना बेटा, टोटल ऑफ बैलेंस शीट, टोटल ऑफ एसेट साइड, इट विल ऑलवेज बी इक्वल टू टोटल ऑफ लायबिलिटी साइड. तो सेम इट्स डिफरेंस एंड सेम इट्स परसेंटेज. तो दैट्स ऑल विद दिस क्वेश्चन. होपफुली you are able to understand this topic of comparative balance sheet thoroughly. In your book, total 8 questions are given. In first video, we have solved question number 2, and in second video, we have solved question number 6. So you will be able, I have done 2 questions for you, and rest of the question you have to cover under homework. So bye बच्चों, all the best.